The next one's transmittals. And so like RFI, which has got a communication loop where a question goes out and an answer comes in, transmittals are following the same format where you have the ability to attach documents, you have the ability to send that to a distribution list and send it out, and it's more of a one-way where that end user doesn't have to be licensed into the system. They do get a very secure token to be able to download the documents. And so if we're issuing a Rev 1, let's say, to a pack of drawings, or not pack of drawings, but a set of drawings rather, each one of those can get imported into the system, get issued out to a client, or to a collaborator, or to another engineering group, for example, or to a subcontractor, and they have the ability to download those drawings and bring them into their document control system, or however they manage drawings, which is a really great feature. The other great feature is the transmittal system also contemplates internal transmittals, as well as what we'll refer to as the document manager, or the issued database. And the reason I clarify that is Cloud EPC does not have a document control module, but every transmittal is associated to a key document in this document manager, which follows the methodology of a master detail record. And so what this allows us to do is, if we are using the example of issuing a Rev 1, we can import those under a transmittal, or we can come over here and add those documents directly into the system, create a transmittal, and then go find those in the document manager. Either way, however you choose to do it. But the key is it keeps track of every revision of that document, and that document in this case is a picture. You know, these demo databases, you never know what you're going to get. But if you envision all your drawings here, for a document number Civil 001, this document is Civil Replat. It will tell you what the file name that's associated with it, and this is how we do revisions tracking is we parse the file name and we look for that match. And so if you did upload drawing DWG-001, the first time it would say we didn't find it, and then it allows you to find it. So maybe it was DWG-001-Rev-A, and you're managing the drawings as DWG-001. You have the ability on import to remap it to DWG-001 without losing that Rev-A. You can then code your revision numbers and any other information that you need, such as a description. You can code it to an area, a sub-area, a test package, user define, a lot of that same fields that we see in progress and performance, and then run pivoting and data elements using our same pivots to be able to go now find all of your test package drawings, or all of area 5 drawings, or I want to see all my civil drawings. Each document has n number of records underneath it, so Rev 1, 2, 3, 4. Hopefully you don't go any higher than 4, but only one of those can be flagged as the latest, and then there's a version of the reporting that you can trigger that says, okay, I only want to see my latest drawings. At this point, this is just coming out of beta today, and by today I mean the next couple of weeks. And then we have plans to also then be able to open those in our native mobile application. With that, I'll take a second just to talk about our mobile application. We're in the Google Store as well as the Apple Store, or the App Store. And the way we view our native applications is our mobile devices are there not to log in and run really detailed cost reports, but as a data collection tool in the field. And so the 3 modules we currently have in our native application is progress and performance. And so again, being able to go out in the field, take a picture of that foundation I've been referring to, update the progress or the installed quantity to 500 out of 500 tons installed, hit apply, take a photo of that foundation, it attaches to that object in the database, and then move on to the next thing you're updating. We feel like that's very powerful. Our safety and our quality modules as well, and so I'll get to those in a second, but being able to perform a quality audit or an inspection, or as well as log a safety incident into the system, and being able to actually perform some key inputs on those data elements. And so that's really the end of our project tools.